Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create and connect Google Tag Manager to your website, step by step. Google Tag Manager helps you easily manage all your marketing and analytics tags without having to edit your website's code every time. First, go to tagmanager.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on Create Account. Enter your account name, usually your business name. Select your country. Next, you'll need to set up a container. A container holds all your tags for a specific website or app. Enter your website name or domain as the container name, then choose Web as the target platform and click Create. Accept the terms of service to move forward. Once your container is created, you'll get two pieces of code. The first code goes inside the head tag of every page on your website. The second code goes right after the opening body tag. Since I'm using WordPress, I'll place these codes using a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers. It's simple and safe. After adding the code, go back to Tag Manager and test the connection to make sure it's working. If you've closed the installation pop-up, don't worry. You can reopen it anytime by clicking your Tag Manager ID at the top of the page. Once your Tag Manager is live, you can connect it with Google Ads, Google Analytics, or any other tracking tag you want to use. That's it. You've successfully created and connected your Google Tag Manager account. Now you can manage all your tracking tags in one place without touching your website's code again. In my upcoming videos, I'll show you how to set up Google Analytics, Google Ads tags, and many other tracking tools using Tag Manager. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell bing so you don't miss my next tutorial.